Today we have a demonstration in a customer set, and we use 2000 watts laser welder. And because this customer, they have a lot of material like quarter inch, more or less, and so we need to use a bigger power. This one. Later when we adjust, we just adjust the power supply and the variable frequency and the variable amplitude. After we select the parameter, we press send. This is a laser welding system. So inside there is two spools of common steel. The thickness is 0.036 inch. Right now we just fitted wire. There is a manual fitting. So we press the manual fitting here, so the two spools will running automatically. Laser welding fitting system. Yeah, I will finish the weld fitting firstly, then we'll attach the weld tube and the laser gun together. Then we're ready to weld.
Okay.
Yeah, it should take around 5 more minutes.
That's okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, sure. This is a dual fitting system. It's a 2000 watts laser welder. So it is very good for the quarter inch carbon steel, aluminum, and stainless steel welding. Okay, let's fit the wire. Okay. Okay, the wire is coming out. The two wires coming out. Then we install this part. After we install this part, we install the nozzle here. It's 1.6 millimeter. It's 0.036 inch. We install from top to here. Put the nozzle on top, then we attach the wire feeder and the gun together. So let's fit here, then it's ready to weld. Now we attach the two parts together. So you'll fasten this part. Make sure this part is attached very strongly, and then we can cut this part, then we can start to weld. Yeah, pull the trigger. Yeah, leave speed to the gun. You just hold the gun and control direction. You see direction not so good, but it's okay.
Todo bien, ahorita te marco. Ahorita te marco.
Still
Good.
too much power, I think.
Maybe no, that one the wider maybe a little more.
You want more
A little
power?
more. No, no
Wider.
power. Wider, a little more. A little
Wider.
more. Speed a little more.
Speed a
Speed,
little more. Okay, okay.
Put it a little more.
Okay, let me speed to 80.
Okay.
Okay? Right now we use 50.
Okay.
Okay. Let's improve speed to from 50 to 80.
80?
Okay, now it's 80.
Good.
You need to improve power or it's okay? For this technique, 70% power and 80 speed is good.
Ah, good.
Really? You like it?
Yeah.
In power? Come on, kidding.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, well then nice.
Yeah, if you want much stronger, also
A little more, a little more wider, no? But it's more stiff. This one is good.
yeah,
No more bien soldado la pipa esa. Yeah.
and also you can adjust the parameters there. Right now for this one, see it's very thin compared to
Yeah.
quarter inch. So we use
Este es
70%
el
power.
Good inch.
It's too much. Still more than quarter
Yeah.
inch.
You know how the power? I got it the metal and this one now. Huh?
Yeah,
It's good. Right?
it's good. Really, you like it, right? Yeah. Also, you can go faster. If we use 80% power, maybe you can go to 100 speed. You can go faster. It's very strong.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. So now we use speed of 80, and the parameter we are having 70%. The Volvo frequency we use is 60, and Volvo amplitude we use is 4. This one quarter inch, but more or less,
A
a
little.
little bit thin than quarter inch.
Yeah, pues it's more better. Good.
Yeah. Don't hold the gun. Don't hold the gun. Leave speed to the gun. Don't hold the gun. Yeah. You hold slightly, but it's fine. If you want to go faster or slower, you can adjust speed, but don't hold the gun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only touch a little.
Let's say,
a
just
little,
touch. You can
Yeah.
go 40, you can do 100. Just control on the panel there.
Okay.
It's easy. So
that
you don't
was
need to, hold the gun or pull the gun. Just leave the gun to the
Only
machine.
the problem es para welder así,
¿Cómo que?
como trate de 5 octavos para soldarlo así
¿Así?
en uno.
¿Así?
Ajá.
¿Por qué tiene pintura, güey?
Ponlo ahí.
It's very thin. I'm worried about power is too much, but let's try that.
Ese es el problema.
No, pero tú lo vas a
Yeah,
agarrar
too much
así.
power.
Así.
It is.
Lo vas a agarrar
It all
así.
penetrated.
Sí, pero dale vuelta.
Yeah, there is some skill for this kind of welding. You got to pay attention to the angle.
Este es el problema para
Yeah,
soldar.
yeah. You got to
Put it
make sure
together.
it goes smoothly.
No, the problem is put it weld it together.
Yeah.
That one is the problem. This one is okay.
Yeah.
Watch. This one is no problem.
Yeah.
Everything's good.
Yeah.
Only the flat.
Around, yeah.
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 This angle you got to control. Yeah. There is for this part there is a little bit skew.
Mhm.
Yeah. So this is a gun, cosmetics. It's functioning well.
Take it.
Hey, you try.
Take it.
You try. Let me hold this part for you. Or okay.
Okay.
Yeah. No. You're not used to this gun.
Yeah.
Yeah. You use it to the take well and let me teach you that. You just pull the trigger. You leave the speed to the gun. Okay? Wait, I use left hand. I never weld by my left hand, but let me try that.
Okay.
You see?
Okay. Yeah.
Even by my left hand, it's easy. you just pull the trigger and leave speed to the gun. Yeah, it should be very easy. Yeah. No. Touch the material and. Oh no! You hold the gun. You hold the gun too much. You hold the gun too much, so you can see this one and this one. You can see the. Yep. You can see, right? There's no skills. Just because you use it to the thick weld. So, just pull the trigger, leave speed to the gun.
Okay.
No. You hold again. You hold again. Hold again. Let me use my left hand.
Okay.
Can you? Yeah. Okay, the left hand, artwork. It's okay. Let me. Yeah. You just pull the trigger, so everything will be fine. Okay.
Yeah.
See, it's very easy,
Okay,
right?
Okay.
I never tried to weld with my left hand, but it's working.
Yeah.
So
Let me click this.
no, don't hold the gun. Don't hold the gun. I use my left hand again. Teach you.
Okay. Okay.
You just touch 45 angle.
Oh, okay.
45 angle. Then let me show you. Let me show you again. Let me show you again.
You.
45 angle. You pull the trigger.
Okay.
You pull the trigger. You got to touch the material. You pull the trigger. Leave speed to the gun.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me try that. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Try it.
Let me check.
Yeah. Correct.
All right.
Yeah. Touch the material.
Yeah,
Leave
yeah,
speed
touch
to
it.
the gun.
Yeah.
Then. Yeah. Same.
One more time. All right.
Super easy, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Super. Now you feel the movement of the wire and the gun, right?
Okay.
Yeah. This is a little bit different with the TIG and MIG weld. So
Yeah.
you just control the angle and the direction, then the machine will weld its parts you want to weld,
All right. That's good.
right? Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. We use same power, 70%, 60 variable frequency and variable amplitude is due 4, but we increase speed from 40 to 80.